Many advocates of mask mandates cite to the case of Jacobson v. Massachusetts as legal grounds for imposing these mandates. If you read Jacobson, you see that it's very different. The facts and the laws at issue in Jacobson is very different than what's going on now with mask mandates. The three biggest differences is that Jacobson deals with legislative powers, whereas the mask mandate is challenged based on executive powers, whether or not the executive branches of government have the authority to impose these masks on us. Second, Jacobson, the violation for refusal for vaccine in Jacobson is a $5 fine. On the other hand, with mask mandates, not complying with a mask mandate results in basically total exclusion from participation in society. You can't go to school, which you have a right to an education, but your child's barred from school if they won't wear a mask. You're barred from religious worship. You can't go into your church. And you're barred from in-person commerce. Right? That is far more drastic than the $5 fine in Jacobson, which today, in today's currency, would be about $150. And lastly, if you read Jacobson, there's an extremely long footnote put in there by Justice Harlan talking about the decades, the continuous decades of successful use for the smallpox vaccine, which was at issue in the decision. There is no such history for mask mandates. In fact, there's strong evidence that mask mandates and the spread of COVID-19 have no relation to one another. Right? So it's really sloppy legal reasoning to say that Jacobson v. Massachusetts authorizes or empowers the executive branches to be imposing these mask mandates. And I wrote a blog article detailing all this. I'll put it in the post or in the comment below. And if you have any questions about it, send me an email.